YouTube can be incredibly difficult to commit to and see through after days, weeks, months, even years of trying to make it big on this platform. But if you commit yourself to it, I guarantee you that you could be far further, a year from now today than you would be otherwise than if you just didn't post any videos whatsoever. Hey, I'm just an average guy trying to make $100,000 online only using things like Amazon and YouTube, and I'm posting about it every day until I do. And yesterday on Amazon and my 3 monetized YouTube channels, I'm going to look it up real quick, but I made $52.05. Now that's a far cry from what I really want to make $100,000 in a year. I need to make $274 per day. So it was kind of a low day in that regard, and yet I'm reminded so often in the comments that $52 is awesome when it comes to passive income, because yesterday I only made one really, really small video. I think it took less than an hour altogether, from filming to editing to uploading and all that stuff. And for that 1 hour of video of work that I put in yesterday, I made $52. So in that regard, yeah, I'm really, really grateful for it. I consider it a low day because my goal is $274 per day. And even that $52 is less than my average. Right now, I'm averaging $92.37. And that's over the course of 163 days of trying to do this challenge. So I consider it a low day. And yet that low day is only one part of the puzzle. When you consider all the days that I've put in so far, I've had high days. My highest day is $1,840. Now, that wasn't really a normal day because it was actually the culmination of several days worth of work that I was given a big incentive from Amazon to do through like a shorts incentive thing that they were putting out. But I got it all in one day. So I consider that my highest day so far, $1,840. And that being said, so that's the high day. And when you compare that to the low day of like $52, there's big swings there. And you're going to get that when it comes to content creation. There's going to be high days, there's going to be low days. But the thing is, you have to push through all of these days and say, I can ride out the low days because I know that there's going to be higher days to come. There's going to be better days to come. And that's an analogy for all of life, isn't it? Like, there's going to be sad days in life. There's going to be low days in life. And yet we don't just give up on those days. We keep on pushing forward. And we say, I'm going to get through this slump. I'm going to keep on going. And I know that there's going to be better days to come. Listen, if you're trying to build up some passive income sources or even just build up your business in general, don't give up just because of the low days. Keep on pressing on. I know that you can do it, because if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.